Hey there, creative minds. Welcome to Avijit.Tech, your go-to hub for mastering digital design and presentations. Here, you'll find step-by-step tutorials on creating stunning animations, engaging PowerPoint slides, and captivating...
Hi, welcome again to another video of Avijit.Tech. Today we will be learning how to make a cool animated intro video with the help of AI, Google Speech-to-Text and Animaker, and that too, completely free of cost. And believe me, it will be completely free without any catch. But for that, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. First go to ChatGPT and write the prompt according to requirement. You can follow what I have written here. Now ChatGPT will generate the prompt. Go to another tab and type in cloud.google.com/text-to-speech. Scroll down a little. There is an option to paste the text. Go to the ChatGPT tab and copy and paste the required text in the space provided. Edit the text as per requirement. Change the setting as required, such as pitch tempo, male, female voice, etc. Now if we scroll down, we can see that there is no option of downloading the generated audio. So we will use another audio software such as Audacity, which is completely free of cost, but we have to make some changes in the setting as shown. Put on the recorder button and then again, go to Google Text-to-Speech and click on Speak It button. The speech is generated and recorded.
Hey there, creative minds. Welcome to Avijit.Tech, your go-to hub for mastering digital design and presentations. Here, you'll find step-by-step tutorials on creating stunning animations, engaging PowerPoint slides, and captivating Canva designs.
Save the audio file. I have split the audio file in 3 parts to suit my requirement.
Hey there, creative minds. Welcome to Avijit.Tech, your go-to hub for mastering.
In the next step, go to Animaker and sign up for an account or login if you have already signed up. Go to Create tab and choose Blank Project and then choose the video format. prepare the video. This is not a tutorial for Animaker. If you want an in-depth tutorial in Animaker, please write in the comment. I will create a tutorial.
Hey there, creative minds. Welcome to AvidJitP.tech, your go-to hub for mastering digital design and presentations. Here, you'll find step-by-step tutorials on creating stunning animations, engaging PowerPoint slides, and captivating Canva designs.
I have shown only some initial and basic steps to keep the video short. After the animation is created, click the Publish button. Now it can be seen that there is no option to download the generated video for free. To download the video, we have to subscribe and pay. But as promised, I will show how to create the video entirely free of cost. For that, we will use any screen recording software such as OBIS, which is an open source software. Alternatively, you can use Filmora or Camtasia or any other software. Preview the video in full screen mode while recording the screen. The Animaker logo is visible on the bottom right corner, which can be removed by either cropping the video or putting your own logo on top of it. Again, if you want a tutorial on Animaker, comment. Thanks for watching the video, and if you find it useful, please subscribe, like, comment and share the video.
Welcome to AvidJitP.tech, your go-to hub for mastering digital design and presentations. Here, you'll find step-by-step tutorials on creating stunning animations, engaging PowerPoint slides, and captivating Canva designs. I'm Avijit, and I'm passionate about helping you unlock your creative potential. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, my videos are designed to make learning fun and easy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. So without much ado, let's dive in.